Welcome to the Do and Do Little. Thanks for coming back and seeing us again. That's Cray, and that's me. We're a mother-daughter duo that is interested in hair and makeup. Today we're doing a wig from Neflyonwigs. It's a 13 by 6 Yaki 12-inch 150% density. Gets lots of stuff with this. Clips, wig bands, wig caps. I think those are called rollers. And a wig grip. That's the hair. Look at that texture. I'm bleaching the knots. Now time for the makeup. This video is dedicated to saving a 46-year-old black-owned dance company called Afro One. The children of today are losing the culture of the arts in so many ways. If you would like to donate towards this institution, all the information on how to do so is listed in the description box down below. Every little bit will help. This is self-explanatory. She's doing her eyebrows. She's very precise on them. Adding some gel, filling in. She'll soon be doing contour. Contour over the eyelids to help the shadow show up very pigmented. All information regarding the type of makeup used is also listed in the description box below. Eyebrows look pretty good and natural. That's the look we're trying to go for. She uses the tape so that the eyeshadow comes up very crisp. We're using the colors yellow, orange, and purple to mimic a sunset. There she's using a face paint because it was the perfect yellow or gold. We're adding orange. I'm trying to recreate the look of Mimi Bulumia. I'll spell it correctly down in the description box. She's a makeup artist out of Nigeria. From the Dilla, full length chinchilla. Villa, sit my in the colors together.
I know you see me on the video.
She keeps adding more orange after blending in the yellow because they seem to be too close on the color scale to be able to be seen. She wasn't happy with the blending of the colors, so she's starting over. You saw her face, didn't you? Redoing the contour over the eyelids. Didn't work. It was an epic fail. We didn't have the perfect eyeshadow. So we're just going for pale orange out of the Target brand of cosmetics. I believe it's called Color Story, but it's listed down below. They're very pigmented and they blend well together when you stick with one brand. She decided to just do 2 colors instead of the 3.
I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio.
Trying to get that purple into the crease.
Baby, no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention. I know you see me on the video.
Blending the orange a little more.
But you still don't pay me no attention.
Trying to make it look seamless. Taking that orange palette under the eye. Taking the lavender or purple color halfway under the eye towards the end. Giving you a close-up so you can see it. Now we're trying out this eyeliner pen. She's never used an actual pen before.
I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention.
It's very thin. She's not used to using a thick pen. Thin pen to do her eyeliner.
Don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriends mention.
Well, she's a novice to makeup, so she's trying. Giving a little wing at the end. We put this in slow motion so you can see exactly how detailed this eyeliner pen is, or can be. The eyes are done. We're doing a little eyebrow gel again. So that the eyebrows lay. Foundation time. We use Black Radiance and she uses the color Espresso. That's my chocolate baby. Contour under the eye. She's using a darker shade now. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'll have it listed down below. She felt as though the lighter shade contrasted too much. Blending it out. Doing some dark contour to give definition to her face. Now doing it around her nose to give her nose some more definition. Blending it in. Filling in the eyes where she might have wiped some of it off during blending. On her bottom lid, she's outlining it with a pencil.
I know you heard me on the radio, but you still don't pay me no attention.
Softening it up with a brush. Feels as though she did great. She added the lashes, very minimal, off camera. Yeah, she's dancing her behind off to Little Kim. Now this is the highlighter palette by Ellen Tracy that we picked up. I didn't know she did makeup. I know Ellen Tracy for loungewear. Still jamming. Putting on a little blush. Okay, a lot of blush. Put some on her nose. Now she's doing the lip liner. She's doing it in a lavender pencil. Okay, she's doing a purple lip. Purple matches the purple in her eyes. I think the matte look came out pretty good. What do you think? That's the hair. I straightened it a little bit and put some crimps in it. She loves a side part. Plucked it a little. Not a whole lot. It came pre-plucked. Showing you the inside. The cap construction. With the Neflyon tag, deep parting, 3 combs. I cut the lace off camera. Trying to make sure it fits. Okay, using Got to Be Gel in the black tube. Showing you right now. Okay, so now you can read it. We usually use the yellow tube, but I know the black tube dries faster. Using Bedhead Extreme Spray. She actually wore this wig for about a week. It held up pretty good. Working on them edges. Trying to get those corner flaps to lay down. trying to get the melt in. Hey, I'm not an expert. We're both new to this, but we're getting better. I had added some tint to the lace to blend it seamlessly with her hairline and her skin complexion. I'm drying the hair. Pulling out some of the baby hairs. And after this, we're going to put on an elastic band. Wait about 10-15 minutes. They always show you blow drying at this point, but we just usually let it air dry. Defining the part with a little, I believe that's contour. Yeah, it is. I think I put a little bit too much. You'll see me dabbing some off, making sure to get it off the hair. Okay, I think we see a little scalp. Bringing it down closer to her forehead, cutting off that baby hair.
I know you see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what
Not that good at baby hair. I tried my best. I think next time we're not gonna go so heavy.
But you still don't pay me no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend mentioned.
I didn't do many. I just think I used too much hair. I do a lot of the hair off camera while she's doing her makeup. Tying down the baby hairs to let them set. Yeah, she's dancing again. Okay, well they seem to be laid. We're adding some oil spray to give it a little shine. Combing out my crimps. She wanted to spritz her face to give herself the dewy look. And we're done. The final results. Please like us. How'd she do? Comment. If you feel as though she could have did something different, let us know. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Giving you a full look of the finished product. Did you check out the wardrobe change? That hair looks nice in the back. It's laid. Got slots of body. Gonna give you a second look.
Thank you for watching me do and do little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.